Today I'm reviewing the Speck Check Kit 1224. This is an accessory kit to be used with other Kozlo Scientific spot test kits. Inside here, there's this metal plate and the special probe, and it also has an instruction manual. Easy steps to follow. Okay, here's our sample. It's a very small piece. We believe it's 316 stainless steel. I'm plopping it down on this on the conductive plate. And now we're going to follow the instructions very similar to the 1542C instructions, which require solution 1 and 5. This is for the moly test. If we get a positive result for moly content, meaning a pink spot, that means it's a stainless steel 316 sample. If we don't get a pink spot, then it's not 316 stainless. The instructions call out for use of, first I'm using solution number 1, and this goes on the plate, and the little sample goes on top of that. And this sample is about 1 millimeter in diameter, and it can be used even on smaller pieces than this. Next, I use the fine metal probe tip, and that takes about 5 seconds of contact, and I'm looking at my meter. All right, that was about 5 seconds. And if the sample is large enough, you could take it off at this time. If not, you could leave it on. If you don't mind, it could sit there. But let's move ahead to the next step. Is a drop of solution number 5. So far, it looks pretty brown. I'm going to follow it with a chaser of solution number 1 and bring it in. And the pink is definitely coming out. I could see it. And so that's a positive test for moly. So that means that it is a 316 stainless steel. And I'm glad that I had this accessory, the 1224, because it makes testing of very small parts much easier. Thank you for watching the video.